We've really seen interest rates stabilize, and they're at their lowest point since February of 2023. And so we're basically 3 years after that, and we are at the lowest point. So how does this help? Home buyers might ask, is this a good time to buy a house? And with that being said, there's different questions that have to be asked. If they should buy a house, if they have good down payment saved or qualify for first-time home buyer programs, have the appropriate credit score and good debt-to-income ratio, then yeah, it might be a really good time for them to buy. Because we're finding that if anything, in some markets, it's a buyer's market where buyers can negotiate for seller-paid closing costs, lowering the sale price. And other times it's more of an even market where sellers and buyers are mutually coming together on a mutually agreed upon price, and both parties seem happy. And so it's a pretty neat time to buy. Also, with interest rates, as of February 1st, interest rates on average are 6.25% for your basic conventional conforming loan. And you can sometimes get better if you're a first-time home buyer or financing government loans. And it seems to be extremely stable. So that lends for a really nice market for buyers and sellers coming together to make a deal and to make something work. On the other side of things, a person may not feel that it's a good time to buy for them because they may feel that they don't have good savings or they have lower credit scores. And credit scores do impact both interest rates and down payment requirements. It might force a person to go into a government loan where maybe they don't want to be in a government-backed loan. It might also mean a higher interest rate or higher down payment requirements because of the lower credit score. So they may want to take some time, pay down debt, build up the credit score. So it's all on personal preference. I think the most important thing is getting with a qualified lender that will sit down with them and weigh out pros and cons and go through their home buying options and really stressing to them what they can purchase now and what that payment looks like. Because overall, if it's affordable payment, you know that there's always refinancing options in the future to bring down that payment, to bring down that interest rate. So if it's a payment that is worthy of their time now, for example, I have a client that has a $2,200 rent payment. They could buy quite a bit of house for that kind of payment. So just realizing where my clients are at and going through the pros and cons seems to be really helpful. This is Dawn Connors at Mortgage One, providing you fantastic mortgage solutions.